Cleaning my room. Cleaning my room is something I do every week. It's important to keep my space organized and tidy. I start by picking up all the clothes and putting them in the laundry basket. Next, I make my bed and arrange the pillows neatly. I then dust the shelves, wipe down surfaces, and vacuum the floor. Cleaning my room helps me feel calm and organized. When everything is clean, it's much easier to find things, and I can focus better on my homework or other activities. Sometimes, I like to listen to music while cleaning, which makes it more fun. After cleaning, my room feels fresh and comfortable, and I feel proud of myself for keeping it neat. It also makes me appreciate my space more. Cleaning is an important habit because it helps me stay organized and productive.